It's okay. So, ayan guys. Si Miss Diani. Ang ating beautiful. Okay guys, we have a new team. It's Diani. And she used to work with us, but then she took a long break. And now she's coming back with Chili. There guys. And if you Hey mga Karolings, Chili's back. Ayan guys.
Hello mga Karolings! Happy Saturday! It's 1 a.m. here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. I just wanted to share with you yung event natin kanina. 7 a.m. pa lang gising na tayo guys. Meron tayong event kanina from 11 to 1 and then yung second event natin is from 6 to 9:30. And ayan nga guys, pumunta si Chili sa ating event para tumulong. Happy Friday mga ka-Rollings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. For today's video, isi-share ko sa inyo fast and easy way to roll lumpia. So ayan guys, meron tayo syempreng squeeze bag na ginagamit and ang ating rolling lumpia mat. Ayan guys, para maging consistent yung size ng lumpia nyo. At dahil nga double yung event natin ngayong Friday guys, meron tayong umaga at meron din tayo mamayang gabi sa football game, kailangan nating gumawa ng maraming lumpia.
Hold on, I need to, what do you call this, John? I need to, what do you call it? Video this, document. I need to document this guys. Work is from 9 to 3 and it is like past 1 o'clock when these two showed up. So, you're fired, you're fired.
It's time, not a long time.
Happy Friday mga ka-Rollings! For today's video, isi-share ko sa inyo ang ating bagong organic na rolling lumpia mat, Char. Ayan guys, para doon sa mga walang rolling lumpia mat, wag na po kayong mag-alala dahil pwede naman kayong gumamit ng dahon ng saging. Guys, i-cut nyo lang siya sa size na gusto nyo, say 4 inches or 5 inches, and then pwede nyo na siyang gawing lumpia pattern mga ka-Rollings. Yung ginagamit natin na rolling lumpia mat mga ka-Rollings, nakakatulong siya para mapabilis yung ating pagro-roll at para maging consistent din yung size ng ating mga lumpia. At kung gusto nyo naman na palagi kayong may access sa lumpia mat, you can order it from TikTok shop at Rolling Lumpia CEO. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!
Okay mga ka-Rollings, ayan yung ating crispy pork belly special. Ayan po. Very, very crispy siya mga ka-Rollings. Hey mga ka-Rollings, ayan guys. round 2 ng ating pork belly adobo dahil guys, double tayo today. Meron tayong dalawang event. Kaninang umaga nasa Camp Lejeune tayo from 11 to 1 and then mamaya guys, nasa Newborn High School tayo for football and ayan guys, round 2 ng ating pork belly. Hey mga Carolings, ayan guys, it's been a while since I tried our trending loaded lumpia. So Jan and I will try it today. Dahil wala naman tao mga Carolings. Okay, come on Jenny. I'm gonna get the middle one because the middle one has the best ooh. Oh my gosh. Hey mga Carolings, okay, it is 9 o'clock p.m. and andito pa rin tayo sa game but wala na tayong tinda. We have maybe 5 orders ng lumpia left. And check this out guys, ito yung ating ticket for today. Ayan, dami mga Carolings. So, ito lang yung sa hapon mga Carolings. Iba pa yung kaninang umaga. First time ko yata, is it our first time to do double?
For high school football, yeah.
No, I mean in general.
Yeah, one football game for
No, I'm talking about double. In the morning and in the afternoon. I think this is the first time guys, we did a double. We did a food truck this morning from 11 to 1 and then guys, diretso tayo sa commissary para magluto uli ng second batch pang hapon. And ayan na nga guys, ayan ang ating tickets for the day. Okay mga Carolings, dumating na yung ating groceries from Sam's Club. So dahil first day ng school tomorrow guys, magdadala tayo kay na Chili ng konting supplies or konting ayuda guys. So bibigyan din natin si Kai syempre kasi same apartment sila. So meron tayong yogurt, meron tayong fruits, strawberries, ayan, meron tayong more yogurt, protein. Then, ayan guys, may mga salad din para sigurado tayo na kumakain sila. Alam niyo naman ng mga college. Ayan, more salad. And then, meron tayong bananas. May blackberries. Yes, blackberries. And then, meron silang granola. Ayan guys, sila ni Kai. And, syempre guys, meron silang protein shake. So, when we go to school in the morning, ayan, meron silang easy access sa konting food. So, syempre guys, dahil rolling lumpia tayo, lalagay natin yan sa bayong. Ibabayong natin sila mga Carolings.